Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to order from Taobao to Europe. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you have a product on Taobao that you would like to buy, like this sweater right here, click on the address bar and copy its link. Now, if you actually want to order to Europe, you should use Panda Buy as a middleman agent. So create your Panda Buy account and then follow along. Just paste the product link right here and click on Search. You will see the exact same pictures that we just saw on Taobao. You can also view the price in Chinese yen and your currency. Now you can pick a size and a color for this specific product. For example, if I want it in black, I'll select black and then choose a quantity. Scroll down a bit, agree to the terms, and then you can either click on Add to Cart or Buy Now. If you want to buy multiple products, click on Add to Cart. To buy this product, click Buy Now, and the seller will ship it to the Panda Buy warehouse. From the Panda Buy warehouse, it can be shipped to your location. The reason for shipping it to the Panda Buy warehouse is that you can get quality control pictures. Once it arrives at the Panda Buy warehouse, they will take pictures of the product for you. If the product isn't satisfactory, they will return it to the seller and you will get a refund. But if you like the product, they will ship it out to your address. Now for the destination country, fill in your country by clicking on the drop-down menu. After that, click on Submit Order and tick the box. Now you can choose a payment method. If I want to use Ideal, select it and then click on Confirm Payment to pay for it. The product will be shipped to your warehouse. To access your warehouse, click on your profile and then select Warehouse. Here, you will see all of the products currently in your warehouse, along with pictures taken by Panda Buy. You can then click on Select All or choose the specific product, select your country again, and see the estimated weight and price for the shipping. Once done, click on Submit. So that's basically how you can order from Taobao to Europe. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.